Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to wash a Porsche Macan. First, let's gather all the necessary tools for a successful and scratch-free wash. You will need 2 buckets, a quality wash mitt, and a soft microfiber drying towel. Parking your Macan in a shaded area is crucial to avoid premature drying and water spots. Begin by using an air blower or a gentle rinse to remove any loose dirt and debris from the surface. This initial step helps prevent scratching during the contact wash. Now, let's move on to the washing process. Start by thoroughly rinsing your Macan from top to bottom to remove surface grime. Employ the 2-bucket method, 1 bucket with pH-balanced car wash soap and water, and the other with clean rinse water. Dip your wash mitt into the soapy water, wash one section of the vehicle using gentle, straight-line motions, then rinse the mitt in the clean water before returning to the soap. This minimizes the risk of introducing scratches. After washing, it's time for a thorough rinse. Ensure all soap residue is completely removed from your Macan, again working from the top down. Immediately follow with drying to prevent water spots. Use a large, high-quality microfiber drying towel, gently blotting or gliding it across the surface to absorb water. Avoid rubbing, as this can create swirl marks. Drying promptly is key to achieving a spotless, streak-free finish. To complete the wash, focus on the details. Clean your wheels and tires using a separate brush and a dedicated wheel cleaner to remove brake dust and road grime. For an extra layer of shine and protection, consider applying a quick detailer or a spray wax. Finally, take a moment to inspect your Macan from all angles, ensuring there are no missed spots or streaks, leaving your vehicle looking pristine.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.